Ty with WTI, and these are my charcoal water filters. I use these water filters in my Breville espresso machine. The best thing about them is their compatibility and effectiveness in enhancing the water quality. Charcoal is known for its ability to absorb and trap unwanted elements, which results in a cleaner and purer water source for brewing. So the charcoal composition of these filters is excellent for reducing impurities and enhancing the taste of your espresso. The 12 pack allows me to have consistent replacements and helps me to maintain the quality of the water. This not only contributes to the longevity of my Breville machine, but also ensures that each cup of espresso is brewed with filtered and tasty water. Installation is pretty straightforward. I just soak it in water for 5 minutes, then install it in my machine and replace it every 2 months. So if you're looking to maintain the optimal performance of your machine, these water filter replacements are a must-have. But that's just my point of view.